Alright, so welcome everyone to Ekiti State celebratory event of the devstudyjaem series. Hello everyone, I'm Manager Joseph Jet, Ekiti Embassy Lead and Ambassador, and the 10 weeks devstudyjaem series for the Ekiti State was pretty awesome. A total submission of 10 apps in which the jammers collected $75 each from the Decade platform. It was an amazing series. I met new people, I met passionate developers, and first, second, third prizes were given to those that stand out amongst the jammers, and also a complimentary prize to an individual that even did better than other jammers.
I'm just Lunimi, co-lead for Ekiti Embassy and then co-founder for devstudyjaem. So it's been an amazing experience teaching these particular wonderful students of devstudyjaem. It's been interesting, it's been fun, starting from Quran all the way to Wicket and see where they came and now we are.
Hello, my name is Debbie Akionla Blessing. I'm a law student in the Ekiti State University. I'm a technical content writer for the aekiti AMVC community. Because of the devstudyjaem, I got to know a lot about blockchain, cryptocurrency, which I basically had no idea about. And it just piqued my interest. I got to meet a lot of people, a lot of wonderful developers, and it was a pretty amazing event. And at the end of the 10 weeks, I had new talents and new skills that I could add to my portfolio, which included technical content writing, which I basically had no idea about from the beginning. And hosting some of the events, even through the lockdown, was pretty awesome too. I found a new interest in development. As a law student, it's almost like impossible for you to do it because people don't expect you to want to be interested in development and technology and all that. But I found a new love for it, and Ekiti has given me that platform to want to become a mobile app developer. Thank you, and stay glued to aeternity blockchain.
So the winner of the devstudyjaem series, Ekiti State series, with a total of 81.5%. This person scored 27 in the app development section. In Decade, the person got 19/20. And tweets, the person made a total of 41 tweets plus post and everywhere. Assessment test, 36. And then attendance, the person got 7/10. Honestly, this first position, I was surprised when we found out the winner. So the winner of devstudyjaem series, Ekiti State University, goes to Favor Additional.
My aspiration is to be a mobile developer. Before this, I was passionate about blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies. So hearing about an opportunity to learn about blockchain technology for 10 weeks was really exciting to me. So then also hearing about the prize attached to it. So this was basically my reasons for joining the devstudyjaem.
First of all, I'm still shocked.
devstudyjaem really helped me personally because then I didn't just learn technical skills, I learned soft skills, leadership skills, and moving from the devstudyjaem, I was then opportuned to head a group of developers in my campus. So the devstudyjaem is something that I don't take lightly. I'm really excited once again becoming the winner for the devstudyjaem.
I want to thank the team and promise to be more committed and do more.
The first runner-up with a total of 71.5% goes to Amaka Ubaka.
Good day everyone, my name is Amaka Ubaka and I'm the first runner-up of the just concluded devstudyjaem, and I want to be a software developer by the grace of God. What inspired me to join Study Jam? I mean, being the think enthusiast that I am, I wanted to just try something new because I've always been hearing about it and I've never ever been to an eternity event before. So I just wanted to just give it a shot. It was a little bit discouraging because it was time consuming, but it was worthwhile. I was able to improve more on my skills, connect with a lot of people, and just it was an amazing experience so far. So
In the app development section, she scored 30 over 30. In the decade score, it's 20 over 20.
special thanks to the organizers and everybody who made this event a success. Thank you.
Second runner-up is Ejilola Ahmed.
Let's clap,
Give a
guys.
round of applause, please.
Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm a student of Ekiti State University, advocate in Nigeria. I'm in the Department of Mathematics 2011. I'm the second runner-up for the devstudyjaem Ekiti.
Joe won the second runner-up with a total of 69.2%. In the app development section, the tweets 0. Assessment test is called 14 point. That's 58 over. I think that was about 58 over 58. Yes.
The reason why I joined the devstudyjaem is because I love the blockchain technology and I would like to build amazing stuff in it. My experience in the devstudyjaem was so amazing, and I love that devstudyjaem Ekiti actually make it possible for me to build projects on aeternity technologies. And I would like to build more projects on aeternity technology after this.
So total of 69.20.
After the devstudyjaem, I would like to build more projects and more amazing stuff, solving more local problems in my community with the aeternity technology. My name is Gio, and I want to thank the aeternity team for this opportunity that they have given me. I really appreciate this. Thank you very much.
The complimentary winner is Yinka Adedokun. Please come up.
My name is Yinka Adedokun. I'm a web developer and also a blockchain enthusiast.
Wow! Are you for real? So wow. The complimentary prize for the devstudyjaem State series. This is the prize, and the score was 59.50%. App development is called 21 over 30. Decade is called 14 over 20. Tweet 0. Assessment test 58. Attendance 16. And the total result of 59.50.
I joined the studyjaem because I needed to understand more about blockchain. I got to know that it's an interesting tech field, and I saw the studyjaem as a way to learn more about it and get to experiment with the blockchain. And my experience so far with the studyjaem was a very good one. I really learned a lot, and my interest in blockchain technology actually spiked after the during and after the studyjaem. And right now I can say that I'm looking forward to developing more applications in the future using the blockchain technology.
So this complimentary prize was not given because of the score. It was because of the activities this jammer has actually partaken over time, even aside the devstudyjaem. He was the team lead for the November hackathon, meaning Bill Leesman, he has money. So aside from that, he has partaken in bounties, Eternity bounty, and even on the Eternity ecosystem, is regarded as an ambassador because he's inside the ambassador forum thread of the embassy or the Eternity ecosystem now. That is why he has the complimentary prize of the devstudyjaem State series.
Challenges I had was majorly the barrier to entry for the particular devstudyjaem. There were a lot of things that you needed to know even before coming, because we did not have enough time to actually even start from scratch. Because before coming, we were expecting that you should be familiar with things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you see, not everybody that actually came for the event per se or for the training per se were at this level of experience. Right? Not all of them were already able to understand HTML, CSS, and JS, so it was a little bit stressful. Sometimes having to go back in time again and explain some basic concepts to them, then come forward again. And even in a sense, so I know it was stressful too, because their brains had to endure a lot. Some people just trying to mix up HTML, CSS, JS, Sophia, and even the core aeternity development with what they already know. It was cumbersome. So yeah, apart from that, I think it was okay. It was fine. Everything was fine.
Blockchain. Save smart contracts. Interface with the world data.